So Abel not in a no position to come out and talk about KrissyTV did a look here. KrissyTV might be careless one time in her life, but when time she realize, she knows say you and her the same thing. Remember you are run down body. Remember you are run down body and you're the only bad man Mrs. Skin out on the app to get a cash. Me not ask you. Remember you show your pride and dignity, you know. Yeah? Remember you show your pride and dignity. Able you can't come back, you come like a soda with them shake, you not have no face. Now like you're flat. You're flat. I saw on a dirty man Steve. KrissyTV did a look here. Make Krissy talk or your name crashes because she a woman it is expected. But you as a big stinking man come out attack. And from you see the light you left Vicky. Vicky therefore come out and say mind your child. Mind your child. The same thing when you do Vicky at that queen do you trick you with a belly. Queen are the only girl me see her breed and wear pure spandex. Everything she wear a corset, a waist trainer. Me nah ask you. As she alone me see her breed. As she alone me see her breed and you buy it. No, it's not like me I tell. Una little bit and too much land look little bit and lazy. Young man I call upon you because you're strong. Go on back to school for the evil archers. Go learn a skill Lando. You have a baby on the way. And you have baby already. You have to go learn a skill. You're out here sir, and listen to what everybody has say. You're young and you're handsome. Go look at skill. Go do something. Yes, man, the baby far. No for we born without, no for we grow without daddy. Born without daddy. And mommy alone about sweat. Go look at job. No, I'm not have no skill. Remember say me not porn. Remember me not porn. That is my skill. I walk and clean rifle with my lip. Eh? Then you can really ask me if me have a skill. Come here, my baby. Cause you don't know me. You just a meet me. You just a meet my dog. Talk truth, you just a meet me. You gotta ask me if me have a skill. A girl like una breed for non-progressive element. As my friend says, a disgrace for suck broke man cocky. That's a throw out by me, you know. Come here, it's a disgrace. No for uno. No for uno out there. Una some careless, dirty girl a walk a look respect. That's why I tell you this. If Lisa Anna did a carry herself like Tony and sing, I could respect Lisa Anna. I not ask you. I could respect her. Me, my love. Me. When them ready for write you off, them write you off, you know. So you see them now, them supposed to be flawless. Them supposed to be flawless. Yeah, come at a movie and nastiness. That's why man jump up and down in a owner like trampoline. Yeah, man jump up and down in a owner like trampoline. Look how far the girl leave from to come be embarrassed. Eh? You want two girls, you don't know for control none of King Solomon. You don't have none of King Solomon behavior. You want two girls, it don't make no sense. And then them something a woman endorse. And then you walk and come on the app and start cuss. We no want you, we not this, and we not support one man being with two girls. One yeah, we not justify say maybe our culture allowed this. Maybe that's her culture. They say African girl a fight over man after Emmy never born in a palace. And a palace Emmy born in a. Emmy never born in a palace. Funa go about is her culture. Eh? Then if I Emmy culture, why not give your baby for? Make you and I take the same man. Make him decide who for all tighter. Since it's our culture. We not go like Emmy born in one palace. Wherever call her Princess Emmy. Eh? So siblings, you don't believe in the land. You don't believe in a land and Emmy. In a land and Emmy. Dwayne, when you really try to ask me, say, me don't believe in a land and Emmy. Dwayne, get your spelling right here before you question me. Because you're jumping, you know. Sure. Then what did about them for me believe in her? A 40 level plane Emmy taking her for no reason at all. And land a little situation, never be prepare, him never make no preparation. So how much believe in them? What much believe in a Bible belief? I want you them a Bible belief. Edwin? Who first was he with? Emmy or the baby mother? Before you ask nothing in the argument, go and go study. Somebody says, so okay, mama and leave Emmy and Lando. Me leave you to the zinc them with the behind him. Me not have to suck my mother. I want you bring your mother come. I want to suck out her illness so she'll travel with. I want to suck out the sickness where your mother have. Me no want to suck Lando and Emmy. Them supposed to full of corruption. Eh? Yeah. So what you say? When I like support slackness too much, me say me a wait pan a girl. Me a wait pan a girl for come out and talk about how them boy are wicked. Me a wait. Yeah. Me a wait pan a girl for come out and say them boy are wicked. Now ask you. Me say the boy them not wicked. The boy them just a deal with you according to your old no value. Nah. Yeah. Me a wait pan a girl. Now ask you. Yeah. Then me hear say, she say, me hear say like she say, me don't know if the girl a Lando stepsister, then Lando breed him say, me don't know how the argument go, because them African people are not talk straight. So me don't know if she try to say, a Lando baby mother I'm stepsister. She be here from Happy Wife. When me hear from Happy Wife, after me not call her. After me not Happy Wife daughter, me not call her. When I call her, ask her if she here for my mother. You go let me a Happy Wife ever hang out and eat butter and cheese and drink sky juice. Oh, different girl. Who Kosovani? Who a Kosovani? Who a Kosovani? Sorry boss, me just that. No do it, me not cuss you. You think me a cuss you, no sir? Me not cuss you, do you? Eh? Yeah. You ask me about Happy Wife. Tell me not look like Carla. The ask her daughter. Me if I ask. When I come on the wrong program, Happy Wife of our program, just go wake up 30 and chat smarty. Catch her. Oh, Happy Wife Kosvani. Then Happy Wife of course now we home. Happy Wife not pretty. Determination is the key. She full of tenacity all in a bed. She full of tenacity. Yeah. We know what about KrissyTV after them no statement. Them no statement. KrissyTV man beat her and buy her something. Yeah, and them gone back together again. You know so we idiot girl. 25! When you gonna beat me and buy me something? He must be asleep. He must be asleep. But look for Yannick and World Dog when they and them living in the same house. I will if I mix up a go and pay Chinese food up on the app, special fried rice, like this, like that, you can't catch a balanced diet. Yeah. Yeah, me not ask you. The amount of things come, me never know say World Dog and Yannick, they know where they must sleep. You can imagine, and know she's supposed to ugly to World Dog, and know World Dog supposed to say me did that tell the truth when I say Miss Bean. When I say Miss Bean, and know World Dog supposed to look on her and say, you know, so the bad boy Shebada, right? Watch her now. What me I do with this big old girl, man? And she not paint her black, you gotta get grimblings. Have a white, you get TV character. Aye, Mr. Bean. Yeah. Me don't say myself, so I would them only people here send my request. No. Them say for disconnect you. Yeah. 5,000 for car payments is crazy. The Lamborghini, but it look like a $100 amount World Dog up here. Cause from them up the Lamborghini until now it can't pay up. Them never put no money on it. Then them just go drive it out. So I mean, I understand the car payment because the years now them have the Lamborghini from before Joe did. Eh? From before Joe did. Una come over here with Shanna and Karen. Una don't come over here with Shanna and Karen. Because there are two mad people that in a Airbnb. Don't come over here with Sean and Karen. Don't excuse me. Don't just excuse them over here and bring the people them name over here. After Sean and Karen, I don't know where we never see it. Zozo, Brittany. Eh? So I don't understand. Everything wanna take up off of the app. Wanna leave me alone, man. I don't wanna talk about everything. Rosa trick Jaden say she pregnant. Rosa trick Jaden say she pregnant. Oh, Rosalie tricking Jaden say she pregnant to affect Jaden. After Jaden can even go on top of Rose, him now gonna disappear. Remember Rose belly starting her knee. Remember Rosalie belly starting her knee. Then oh Jaden, oh she for trick Jaden say she pregnant. After Jaden not and some gunman now GX. Now and some gunman driver our brother. I don't know how the man them share out where I jump up and down in a Rosalie, you know. Yeah, I don't know how them share out. But me hear say Nessa give her a tour. Nessa put her on tour in the 14 parishes of Jamaica. Me hear say Nessa now stop, make sure go to court them in Jamaica. By the time Rosalie done, if you get in a problem, she's supposed to can tell you what to do and what not to do. Rosa, who name Rosa? It's Rosa. As much new people up on this now. Who is Rosa now? Eh? Who is Rosa? Then who is them? First you have the N, you know you have Rosa. Me can't bother with the internet, it's too much. It depends on me. Me can't bother with this. Me no want to chat the body, me no want to chat about who me no know. The wife, his wife. Is who? His wife. Jaden. Oh, Jaden wife. Oh, and a Rose A, she name. I think a Rose. I think I never know say Rosa. I think a Rose. When you come in London, when you straighten out yourself, my baby, me no want me and you run up and down. Me none of them only for breathing there. So when you straighten out yourself, you see me pop up. By the way, you live anywhere over there? Because English people live very cramped, you know. English people live very itch up. Too cute, say me correct. That means say me I learn. Yes, it's Rose. It's Rose A. It's something over the A there. A Rose A. One accent over the A. Don't let them draw you out, auntie. Them can't draw me out. Them kill is more than me, you know. What about her? What would that talk about her? Oh, she had Jaden said she's pregnant. Then oh, she for breathe and Jaden same on their mouth crutches. Hey girl, understand the stomach. Come here, you come with that belly then. Oh, Jaden saying that eat your crutches. Then oh yeah, breathe. Explain that part there to me. That's a lie. That's a lie. Me not need no ultrasound. Me not need for do no ultrasound. Yeah, you too out to order. Me not get no stepchild because Jaden, me can't put my head on the block. Jaden say him never eat the child. So if him not eat her, him can't breed her. Oh, all of Jaden see many names saliva, so she can never get pregnant if him not eat her. Dirty shibby, like your panty crutches. Me don't know them brown spot they are doing your panty crutches. Me case and donate a clinic in your hole. I tell you about capture land. You come and talk about dirty shibby like me know you're from nowhere. Me your friend girl. You can't pin your panty them outside, you know, you can't turn them on the wrong side. You can't even turn the crutches up to the sun because the time I go overcast. It's a disgrace for you I walk with. And I'm actually living that you walk with the whole arm and barracks. You have a platoon underneath you, a platoon. Yeah. So I don't know where you come about, my baby. When you step in, come in on your heels, come in on slippers or sneakers. Something where you flat foot pan. Yeah. you come in a war and we ring your ankle. Hey girl, I don't like fight girl in her heels, it's a disadvantage. I'll throw you down. Yeah, back to the matter at hand. Yeah, come in your crib, thank you. Thank you, Brian. Yeah. You coming like ChatGPT. Love me and going now. So I was saying my dog Crystal know what you do, you know. I know what you do. The girl them walk and take up the dog them. Yeah. See why Emmy Frida, you no Emmy not for Frida, I tell the truth, me I tell Emmy. I owe them whole heap of people, yeah. I pay a whole heap of people this has send me request. Watch ya. All them gone. Yeah. No, Emmy not for Frida, me for true, because all of me I tell Emmy the truth. You know who Emmy for Frida? The people who will laugh with her and attack to her and them she for Frida. Not me. Me a good girl when it comes to Emmy. Not me, can me tell Emmy the truth, but enough girl no want to hear the truth. Enough girl want to hear say them front jump for a boy and the boy no good for them and them want to encourage them to take them. Me tell us them used to have a friend named Mudfish. Me say, no care what Mudfish do him have to run down cocky. And no care how him father want to beat him. Mudfish just stand up in front of you and play sympathy and I look pity. And me say, as them father gone a cocky that Mudfish gone so Mudfish not even forbid for take wood. Me tell you say I saw some people stay, them not like hear the truth. No, them not like hear the truth. You're not answering me, but me don't know you for answer you. When you ask me say, you go like me did read your comment out aloud, you talk but you know want to answer me. Where me know you from? Eh? Where me know you from? Me not even know where you ask me. And when you ask me, good not even make sense. And you bad me up. Eh? You bad me up for read where you write and I can't even read, write, wrote, nor written. So what you say? What you say now? Cause see you get my undivided attention, yeah. What you say? What you really say? Text it back now. No, but she bad me up. Me never see you. Me never see a text. It's not like me I expect you. It's not like me I used to sit down on the program and raps. Me not anticipate your message. But since you get me attention now, what is it you say? What is it you're saying? She me want to give my ex. Take your ex and give to your daughter. Keep it in the family, my love. The kings and queens are doing it. So do you. Remember you have a queen living you. Yeah, there's a queen inside you. Take your ex and give to your daughter, my love. You know what ask me nothing. Cause you laugh off your mouth. Well anyway, me just ignore you. Yeah. Yeah, Marianne. Yeah. She be the unbuttoned pants that distract me. And I would night my love at all. That's what the boy them want me saw. The boy them say me have a newborn I walk with. Me supposed to cover things and hide things, bury things and shield things. And I don't know what some other woman I do. When I walk naked. Yeah. When I walk naked. Title she be wagwan. You wouldn't know that my love unless your brother talk. What do you think about the warship, auntie? You know, sister, the warship I look over Cuba and Cuba look back over Jamaica. Jamaica so sink. I look at him, Jamaica sink go right in my backyard. We took pictures at Acne. So if me you take picture of London, them days are not gone, my love. Them days are not gone. So me if you remember the picture them when me take with the people in my Acne. Eh, tell me the truth now. Then oh you got stood out to me. Yeah, well, like you did give me £500 for care back. You're not gonna stood out to me. It's a picture you're getting and you want to hold me hostage. You're not gonna stood out to my girl. So I must say, oh my God, I can't believe this. Really? Oh my God. Where is the pic? How was the pic? What was the pic? One year lady, I got to distract my phone. Those days are gone. 25, and you smell your body from your phone. You're not gonna be here. Come on, I can't smell your body. Your body smell like last night. I hope you mean that and come and smell good though. Yeah, what you saying? What you say, Nicolette Pink, big up yourself. What you say now, girl? When you come in London, stop asking me when me come to England, because the whole I mean like. The whole I mean, remember about you no buy? Stop asking me when me come to London. Because from me dip on yes, I never get no lion yet in English. Me never seen a lion I go, rah, you know, like how British people talk. Me never see that yet. Stop asking me when me come. Stop asking me. Now ask me no more. Only a little bit and too much. Check on Jaden if him a cause. Me not care about him right here now when I can't piss me off. I so call him later. Him a go call me. I will make it up back. But anyway, that is not what we're talking about now. When you are good there, pure honey going on. Wanna stop asking my man. Me eat the people and when are you coming here? When are you coming there? When are you coming all around the atmosphere? Eh? And when the people them a trash me upon the upper door, sooner for ask me them question there. When the people them a tear me upon and say, him not like woman, I don't sooner come from my program and say, when will you be having a show over here? Una step back, don't ask me nothing, don't ask me nothing. Remember me can't read and write, wrote and written. Yeah.